guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this wig that was sent to me by Eayon Hair. They sent me out their 12-inch water wave 13x6 lace frontal wig, and this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It does have the bra strap like elastic band, so you can wear this wig glueless if you would like. This is also one of their invisible knot wigs, so the knots on this wig did already come bleached, and the hairline was pre-plucked, so I barely had to do any work for this wig to look natural. So I would say that this wig is very beginner friendly. Like, if you're looking for something that doesn't require much customization, then this is the wig for you. Like, you can probably wear this wig straight out of the box. Just cut the lace and style the hair a little bit and you'll be good. So yeah, I really did enjoy wearing this wig. The curl pattern was so cute, and I did love the short cut on it. I'm gonna leave everything about this wig down in my description box if you guys want to check it out, but I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm gonna let you guys watch me install this wig. So that's pretty much a wrap for this install, you guys. I really love the way that this wig turned out. I love how easy this wig was to apply. Like, I barely had to do any work for this wig. So you guys should definitely check out Eayon wigs. I will have them linked down in my description box below. If you guys enjoyed this video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.